Hi folks, my name is Dib. Welcome to Guarantee RV. It's a beautiful day today. We're going to show you this big country. This one is the 3310, a very impressive coach. As you can see, the big countries usually start stuff out, and there is the big huge awning. They started the stuff early in the early days. With your outside speakers, those are waterproof again. Really nice coach. I like the designs of it. Big country makes it, more aggressive, I guess, looking. We can go inside here to show you a couple of things. As you come in, you can't help but to see that Dyson. That means it's equipped with that. This is a very welcoming coach, by the way. Big, huge fridge. Look at that. Nice freezer. That's cool. And it's not, you see that? Go through. Some of them you block you where you can't put big stuff in there. This is a really nice countertops. Big, huge microwave convection oven. This is the new style of stoves. This is very impressive. I like this myself. Look at this here. Really, really nice. Very modern. Lots of drawers in here. Look at that. Yeah, more and more. More. Look at that. More storage. Everything is finished in this coach. I like the woodwork on this. Real wood. Very nice. Nice pantry. You can store what have you in here. The stuff you can't reach or you don't need, it's up there. Anyways, nice, really nice chairs here. Those are power. You have a massager in them, heated, you name it. Easy to reach. More cubbies, more cupboards. Another counter right here. That's nice to have. You can put your cups or what have you. Again, rear view. It tells you that it's time to go. Have fun out there on the lake. Big huge screen TV, flat screen TV that is really thin. This is a very modern one. Right here, counters, look at that. More cupboards. This is huge. This is so big. And of course your fireplace. There is a pass through here. Also, maybe you can put your controls, what have you in here. So keep that in mind. And again, this island, we got more storage in here. Coat hangers, there you go, more racks. It's pretty cool to have. Control panel right here, one-stop shop, all in one spot. Let's walk in here and show you more. This is our bathroom. Let's start with this really quick. Enclosed shower. You see, I mean, you can be tall and there is more room, headroom up there. Nice sink with a, look at that. Nice stuff in there. Fantastic fan. That's a good fan to have, really. And as we go into the bedroom, this is the slide, the slide or telescoping slide. Guys, you can actually dance in here. This is pretty nice. I haven't seen as much room, like, look, it's pretty cool. Right here, big, huge closet, huge, and it can be washer and dryer hookup if you would like to. Again, slide. And you got more hangers, more shelves. I mean, there's more and more storage. This coach offers a lot of storage. Pretty nice. Walk around bed. Very nice with the windows here, telescope. That means you're out there, you can see around you, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna take you outside and show you more stuff on this coach. And as you can see, the frameless windows right here, those they crack open. This way, if it's raining, you still can have your windows open. This is your outside kitchen. It got a small fridge and a sink in it. Pretty cool. Again, look at this cap. This is pretty nice, guys. Camera ready on top right there. Yeah, with a bumper. And then you got your cable here, your power cord right there, ready to go. Roller. You don't have to be, fighting with this thing. So pretty nice. Big, huge slide. And this is a telescoping slide, guys. Look at that. So this is unique to this coach. Your station is right here, folks. From the gray tank, you got it. Your power, your water. Auto leveling up here. See that push button? You guys are set to go. Big, huge basement. This is pretty nice. Yeah. And there's more to talk about this coach. Just give me a call when you get a chance at 541-515-1237.